y'all. We've got a fun breakfast for this morning. So I've made cinnamon roll pancakes before, but we found this mix at Walmart last night. We had to run in there to get a few things, so we're going to make this great value cinnamon roll pancake mix and some bacon and eggs for breakfast this morning. We've got some family that's going to be coming over to eat with us, so I'm just going to make this whole box of the pancake mix. Bacon is almost done, cinnamon roll pancakes, scrambled eggs, and I got some open medium over there. And then Sissy made the icing that's going to go on the top of the cinnamon roll.
So they're cinnamon roll pancakes?
Yes, but it didn't come with this. It shows it on the box, but it don't come with it.
Okay.
Sissy made this real quick.
If you buy that at Walmart, just remember it don't come with a bag then?
Well, it don't come with the icing.
Oh, it don't?
No, you got to make your own. It's just some powdered sugar and cream, but Sissy made it real quick.
Okay. So is that what makes it like a cinnamon roll?
It's got little cinnamon bits inside the mix too. There's little cinnamon stuff in there.
Oh, okay.
That's almost ready. I'll just add that on here when it gets done. We're out early this morning, y'all, heading to the apple orchard in Blue Ridge. Oh, he got a coffee. I knew he was gonna get a coffee. He always gets coffee at Clipper. He did get Big Red.
Yes, folks.
Thank you, sir.
I remembered.
Thank
they
you.
had it.
Pumpkins, y'all.
Pumpkins. We say stuff like that in the South.
Mm-hmm.
We also say stuff like boondocks. Like if you live out in the middle of nowhere down here.
In the sticks. Also, we say in the sticks.
We may say y'all live in the sticks.
Mm-hmm.
Or, oh, y'all over in the boonies.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, not even boondocks, just boonies.
Right. Might say boons. Oh, they in the boons.
But they might, if you get over there in the boons, ask you for your social security number. At a church that I used to preach at quite a bit, it's not there anymore, but there was a lady that went to that church that worked at a car dealership in town, called me on the phone and said, "Titus, are you wanting to buy this car?" It was a very nice car, very expensive car. And I was like, "No, ma'am."
Sister? No.
No, ma'am, sister, I'm not. I drive trucks.
She said somebody was trying to buy that in his name with his social security number. I mean, like, if we're talking to, like, in
Proper people.
Right, we would break it down.
I would break it down like this.
Country folk, if we know where, like, even at doctor's offices, whatever, if people, they're like, okay, you're gonna put down, sometimes they even just say social, you know, just put your social, whatever, but if they say all of it and they're from here, it's social security number. Social security number.
You want my double S number? I mean, is that what you're asking for?
Yeah, we just run it all together. Social security number.
But y'all, really, if anybody asked you for your social security number,
don't give it to them.
You walk away from that.
Yeah, don't you give them that.
Them
That's
people
yours.
can be as nice as they can possibly be. Let me tell you something, buddy. You can talk to the hand, get in your car and get to the boondocks. You ain't getting to my social security number.
Are we almost there?
Almost.
We're almost there.
We say some weird stuff.
Yeah.
But we're good people down here. We deserve to be listened to.
We got pumpkins and social security numbers and
Boondocks and boonies.
yes. We're hoping they're not going to be as busy because if you get here after lunchtime, they are extremely busy. Maybe they won't be too bad yet. We'll know if they're parking. Nope, they're already busy. I'm telling y'all, this place is so busy all the time. Look how pretty.
Beautiful. Just beautiful.
You can fish here too. See over there, Jonah? That's where you fish. They got scarecrows all on the outside. Here we go. Y'all get ready. It's a lot bigger in here than you think. Welcome. Honey with Georgia pecans.
Yeah, this is like an apple spice.
Pecan honey butter. Yeah, that looks good. Whipped blueberry blossom honey. Whipped orange blossom.
What's inside of this?
This one is whipped honey with vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yeah.
Is there any pepper in it?
No, I don't think it has pepper in
Throw
it.
that green top on it right there.
Oh, that clover? Okay. With the bear?
Yeah.
Oh, look, I've never seen cranberry blossom before.
What is it?
Cranberry blossom honey. Now, here's where you get all your stuff from the bakery and all that.
You want to make some of this right here? Look at this.
Cinnamon sugar donut
mix.
Apple, peach, blackberry, sweet potato, dried peach, dried apple, cranberry apple, pecan, no sugar added apple key. Oh, I missed it again.
They got a lot of stuff.
Yeah. They have whole pies that you can buy. They are $17. Apple samples right there. Here's the snack wagon. Now look at that one, Jonah.
Well, that's a big jerk.
Yeah. Crazy chickens make scrambled eggs. What does this one say? This one flew the coop. Those are $12.99.
Well, this is for, I think this is for deviled eggs right here, or the angel eggs, or the field eggs, whatever you want to call them.
Yeah, I don't know. I was trying to figure out what it's for too. It's only gonna hold 4 of them though.
Yeah, that ain't gonna be enough for my family.
Yeah, it is. It's deviled egg server.
I'll eat 4 by myself.
Yeah, we'd need about 6 of those.
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty. Thankful. 22. Tea towels, $3. It's a 2-pack? So it's 2-pack. Look at that bear with the honey thing. Now that's cute. Now this is a cookie jar right here.
Yeah, that
He can
is.
hold some cookies.
For steak?
I'll be honest with you, I don't know, Mom.
Is that a bacon pan? Since you pick up that pig pan down there, Jonah. Just says
Is it just a looking thing?
nobody bought one in a long time. There's some dust on there. What's that?
But that thing will sell for 50% off.
Yeah.
What do you think, Mom?
Grill, cook, and serve.
I think you put bacon on
Look
it.
at that dust, y'all.
This thing should be 50% off.
I'm looking at actually coughing.
That dust made John cough.
Lifetime warranty. It's been here a lifetime.
This thing's been here a long time.
Yes, it has. Oh, it's
See
making
there?
him sneeze.
That dust. Look at the dust flying off
Look at
her.
it, y'all. They hadn't sold one of them since they opened. Yeah, those are pretty. Let's see how much they are. $19.99.
Look at Frosty right there.
Let's see if Frosted $19.99. Yep, $19.99. Now I'll be glittery. $28.
Looks like Nick Granny's.
Oh, and
Flannel.
it's Jimmy's with a reindeer mug. Oh my goodness, and he has cookies.
Old boy got some doggone bear slippers on.
That's adorable. 32. That's cute though. I mean, you know that's cute.
I want his social security number.
You want peanuts? You want apple cider donuts, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we got it.
that
Look at
looks
that
so
pie. That looks good. That looks good too. Oh, that looks good too. Let's go.
Really delicious.
Oh, Jonah changed his mind to a pepperoni stick. You want a powdered one or not powdered?
Not powder.
He wants the not powdered one, Daddy.
Not powdered?
Yeah. All right, y'all.
Oh, Lordy, this place is busy.
It is, y'all. It's really not, but I said it was as busy as Dollywood. That was a little bit of an exaggeration.
It's busy inside that store.
But it's very busy. Yeah.
We was gonna go pick apples, but there's so many people here.
Right. And it's going to be a long wait to get on that tractor to go up there and pick those apples. I mean, this place, if you want to get here to pick apples, you better get here right when they open and be the first one on that tractor. So we're going to find that other little apple place that has little games the kids can play. And I think they had apple cider slushies. I really want an apple cider slushie.
Yeah, there you go.
And I think they had those there. We're going over here to Penland's first. They have some fun little games the kids can play out back. Fresh fried pork skins, pot boiled peanuts.
They even got high chairs for adults here.
Yeah. So they have apple cider, muscadine, scumpernong, and peach, and strawberry. We got apple cider. Then when you come back here, they have the games. What did you get?
I got an apple fritter.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if I've ever had an apple fritter.
Are you hadn't?
I don't
Are
think
you
so.
telling me you've never had an apple fritter?
I don't think I have.
Bless your heart. Let me just pull up a video and show you somebody making some apple fritters. The one you've been married to for a long time.
I've never bought one out in the public.
He's just carrying it around.
I have slushies.
Yeah.
You got a slushy, boy.
It's an apple cider slushy.
What you got, Cece? What is that little drink you got?
It's apple.
It's just apple cider.
Apple cider?
She just wanted it so she can keep the apple thing.
Oh, okay. You like your mama. Just
We
like
love
your mama.
Tums. Don't drink it fast, you'll get a brain freeze.
How you like it, Scooter Bite?
How do you lift me? I'm dropping.
Yeah. They got this big Connect 4 game
I love
right here.
Here are the bags.
Okay.
You throw it into this hole.
Throw it into the hole. Okay.
First, it's my turn.
All right.
It's your turn now.
My turn. Where do I stand at?
Right there.
Right here?
Mhm.
Are you sure? We both won. Jumbling Tower. That's a fun one, isn't it? You want to build it?
Yeah.
They got another Connect 4 game there.
Yeah, but that one's broken.
Is it?
Yeah.
We're stopping here. Is this Blue Ridge or J still? In between? Okay. We're stopping here at this Amish store. It's called A Taste of Amish General Store. This is pretty. Oh look, they have tiny little fudge things. Chocolate peanut butter, Rocky Road, pumpkin fudge.
Want to get some of that?
Yeah. It smells really good. They have the sandwich shop right there.
Very, very.
It smells really good. Hey, look, I bet they have bologna.
Yeah.
Fresh cut bologna sandwiches. What?
How much are these?
These are 30 cents. Buckeye popcorn, peanut crunch, rainbow popcorn, the jelly shack right here.
We just have to get this.
Oh, look, they have little checkers set up right there. Fall is my favorite color. Apron, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty too. It comes with a towel. Cute. How much are you? $21.95. This one has chickens on it with fall leaves.
Yeah, that's nice.
I'm gonna put it in one bag and then you can hand everybody theirs, okay?
Say thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
We are searching for something to eat now, everybody, because we're all very,
Yeah.
very hungry.
And we're back over in Blue Ridge now.
Yep. They eat the Chester's bread.
We've tried to come here a few times, but there's always a really long wait. Today we're waiting.
You're always gonna have to wait. It don't matter what time you come here. It's like a 40-minute wait.
Yeah, it's only 2:45 right now, and so we thought we might not have to wait, but you still gotta wait. There's always a wait here, so that means it must be good.
Must be good.